हेलो बच्चों, आज आपको मैथमेटिक्स में क्लास थर्ड क्लास के बच्चों को आज पढ़ाएंगे सेकंड चैप्टर पढ़ाएंगे जो कि है रोमन न्यूमरल्स। ओके, तो रोमन न्यूमरल्स पढ़ने के लिए आपको यहाँ पर एक टेबल दी गई है, उसको सबसे फर्स्ट लर्न करना होगा। तो यहाँ पर जो फर्स्ट 10 डिजिट्स हैं 0 to 9, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, ये जो भी नंबर्स दिए गए हैं ये बिलोंग्स करते हैं हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम में। इसी हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम को कन्वर्ट करना है हमें रोमन न्यूमरल्स में। ओके, तो आपको इसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए ये यहाँ पर नीचे टेबल दी गई है, इस टेबल को you have to learn this table also. Okay, so what is Roman numerals? The Roman numerals are composed of 7 letters. So what is the 7 letter? That is these sign: 1, 5th, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. So ये जो symbols दिए गए हैं ये रोमन न्यूमरल्स हैं। तो आपको इसको लर्न करना है, तभी आप एक्सरसाइज कर पाएंगे। ओके, मैं आपको फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल समझा देती हूँ। द रूल फर्स्ट, द फर्स्ट लेटर इज द सिंबल दैट वी सेड इट इज वन सिंबल। द सेकेंड लेटर इज 10 symbol, we count it 10. Third symbol is C. The C mean it's 100. The M symbol means 1000. So these symbols can be repeated to write a number. So we can repeat these symbols as when the numbers comes. The value of number can be known by adding the value of repeated symbols. For example, if there is a repeated symbol of 1 1, then 2. The repeated symbol of this x, the x mean, what is the mean of x? There is 10. So when we repeat it, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. The third thing is C mean here 100. So we again repeat 2 times, 100 plus 100 equal 200. The same for the M symbol stands, its count is 1000. So here we count it 2 times, 1000 plus 1000. So the symbols, all the symbols is twice here. So we double the count of the symbol. Okay, now we comes to the point, we come to our exercise, the first exercise. So before this we are going to this exercise, you have to, this is your homework, first you have to learn these 2 tables of Hindu Arabic and Roman numerals. Okay बच्चों, so we come to our exercise. The first is the question. First, write the Roman numerals for the following Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, the first sign is 2. So we know what is the 1 2. The symbol is the two symbols of the 1 digit. So we learned here what is the symbol of 1. It's this sign. So we double it. 1 plus 1 2. The same is here 9. So how we write it, you can see. This is the 9. 21. So if the count is less than 10, so we put this 1 before the symbol of 10. Okay, so we call it 9. If here it is 10, then if the number is more than 10, then we put this 1 after this symbol 10. If there is a 9, so we put it before the symbol, that is 9. And if there is a 10 figure, then we put this 1 just after this symbol. So you can write it, okay, all answers, and you first learn this table. This table 2 1 21, then it's just more than 10, then 21, then 10 21. This is 4 1 to 12 12 25 5 15 39 7 19 40. Okay, that's it. The second question is write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. Here we have doing opposite of the Hindu Arabic numerals. In the first question we did the Roman numerals, convert the Hindu Arabic numerals into the Roman. Here we have to convert the Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic. So this is count 1 2 3 3, then 1 10, it is 10 10 plus 4 14, 10 10 10, then 10 plus 20 plus 10 20 30, and here is the 1, that 31. This is 4 19 35 5 6 7 8 8 10 20 4 24 10 20 30 9 39 9 10 20 9 29. L means 50. The third question is tick the correct Roman numerals in each pair. The 9, so there are two options given here, so you have to put correct sign या tick on the one symbol that is correct. Okay, so there are the two options. So the first option is wrong, the second option is correct. Second is 4. The two example is given, the two option is given, so first option is correct, it is wrong, it is a wrong way. Third, 6th, so I correct on the right answers. Okay, you got it. So this is 6th. Fourth is 19, so the second one is correct. Yes, second is correct. Okay. Fifth, 34, 10 20 30 plus 4 34. 6 39, 10 20 30, and this 9 39. This one is correct. The question D, tick the correct matching and cross the wrong one. So you have first correct those which is correct and put the wrong sign those who are not correct. Okay, so 10 plus 2, that is 12, so here is 7, so it is wrong answer. 10 plus 6 16, it is correct. 5 and this 1, this is 6, but here is 4, so it is wrong. Here 5th, 10 plus 5th 15, 10 plus 10 plus 10 30, this is correct. 6th is 5th plus 1, no, this is wrong, this is 6th, but here is 16, so this is not correct. So we end up this chapter, we end up this exercise. Okay, so your homework is to learn this table numbers and then solve this exercise by your heart. Okay, I am close up this chapter. Bye.